It is my honor to say, Chancellor Guskowitz, I am pleased to present to you the candidates for degrees in the College of Arts and Sciences. Will these students please rise?
By virtue of the authority vested in the University of North Carolina, by the state of North Carolina, and by the university entrusted to me, I hereby confer upon you the degree for which the faculty has certified you, together with all the rights and privileges thereunto pertaining. And I offer you my warmest congratulations. Please be seated. I now invite Chris Suggs, President of the senior class, to say a few words on behalf of the class of 2021. And at the conclusion of his remarks, he will be joined by Senior Class Vice President Tamaya Troy. And together, they will lead you in the switching of your tassel, signifying your graduation from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Chris.
Wow, what a great day to be a Tar Heel. Home. When I think of home, I think of my Eastern North Carolina hometown of Kinston. Sitting on the front porch with my grandma, waving to neighbors as they walk or drive by. For the rest of you, home may be some other community across our great state or around the world that nurtured you and built you into the brilliant person that you are today. But for each of us, I hope that when we arrived on the lush quads and beautiful campus of Carolina, we found a second home here in Chapel Hill. This home at Carolina might not smell of grandma's sweet potato pie or provide you with the curfew of when to be inside for dinner. In fact, this campus home probably provided more freedom to explore and learn than one could have ever imagined. Over these last few years in which many of us have been here at Carolina, we've seen our university community as